Village Jane, this is your man, not a boy. I'm here. It's one blessed Saturday, and I'm in the house of Dr. Heinrich Beatrice. Is a woman that normally help my village school peoples. They normally donate money to pay school fees for children in Africa. So today the weather is very nice. As the sun is shining into my face, you can see. So I'm here to help her by working in the garden, and we started the work already. I just took the phone out to make a short video for you guys to see what I'm doing today. And if you can see in the sky there are small planes flying in the sky there. There's a small airport over there. So this is the entrance. So today, early in the morning, we started the work over here. It's a village, so it's a farming road. So we start this work from here. We fix this bar.
Und sieht gut aus?
Yes, that is Dr. Heinrich Beatrice.
Danke, Dr.
Yes.
Dr. Mike.
Yeah, genau. Dr. Mike, yeah. So there we work till here. As we were working, we found some mouse inside the under the hedge or the fence, the woody fence. So now we are closing. The next weekend, if the weather is nice again, then I'm coming to continue. We wanted to see through the fence. Those ones are rotten, so we are going to change them. So the alpacas, the animals, they are over there. So this is how far we have come today. And during the work, hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is IMC the Parisme. You can see I'm in the village right now at Dr. Heinrich Beatrice place. The workers are working there, and I'm also here to check out what to do on the fence. Last weekend we have done this together, and she told me that she will not be around this week. So I just come around to count where to repair on the fence. Yes. So let's count the wood which we are going to repair. So let's take this one. It's really old, even it's loosed. So let's see. One. She has to buy the long one, the bar. One, two is the down one there, and you can see they just harvested maize here before. Last year they planted maize here on this field. So three, and this one too, I have to refix it. Three, and this is this strong. Three, okay, four, because this one is rotten. It's rotten, so I have to change this one. Yes. 4, 5. This one too is rotten. 5, 6. You can see at the end here. It's already broken. I have to repair this one quickly, otherwise the animals will be passing through there to go out. 6, 7. This one too. It's rotten. 7, 8, 8, 8. They are over there. 8. You can see the alpaca over there. Cuckoo. Hello. Okay. So let's continue to look the cameras. Oh, 8. 8. 8. We counted 8 right now. Oh, yeah. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. This one too also have to be fixed, but let me leave it like this so I can see it. 8. I can see it earlier. 8. 8. I have to change this one. 8. 9. This one is rotten. 9. 10. Yes. Let's change 10 pieces of this. 10. 10. 10. 11. This one too is rotten. 1,000. It's rotten. 11. 11. 11 pieces. 11. 11. 11. I think that is all, because we have done the other side last time. Cuckoo. Where are the other two? Or maybe they're in this small house eating right now or grazing. Look at the way the sun. Yeah, the sky is full with dust. Okay. So this is your man or the boy. IMC. The Parwisma. You just call me. Gonna be there. So there, they are taking care of bees. They make a house for the bees on the track there. It means they can change their position at any time. Wow. Who told you that German people don't farm? They are the great farmers. And they are farmers, they are the rich people. On the way coming, they are taking care of animals. They are working in the stall, how do you call it? In the manger, the animal house, and some cleaning the feces away, and machine is milking the cattle, and yeah, and here we are. So then this is what I've counted. How many pieces do we counted right now? A few minutes ago, I think it's 11 pieces. So I'm just walking by, and then I'll send her a WhatsApp message, and then she will buy it, and then let me know, oh Mike, you can come around and fix it. I'm doing all this because of the help she has given to my school projects in my village in Ghana. And yeah, And my people way down there thinking I'm just sitting down and then receiving money for the school. I have to do something. I have to sacrifice my time. So if any donation landed in your hand, please make good use of it. Not that I didn't sweat before I get this, so let me just misuse it. It's killing. It's not good, please. And some years ago, I had a complaint from the school, from Adaklu Pechu, that some parents are complaining that I'm using their children's picture to take money for my own family or for myself. That's why I can fly to Ghana and at any time. It's not like that. No. The money that I'm earning is just going into the rent, the house rent. The hotel room that I'm living is costing 600 euro. And then I have other things also to pay for. People, so please, 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 stop that kind of mentality. All right. So let's go. You see, at winter time, this tree has left all the leaves. Now life is coming back. New flowers are coming. You can hear the noise from the flies. Yes. Yes. I think this is a apple tree. This apple tree is also coming. Yes. So stay tuned. When the apples start coming out, I'll still come and make a video of it and send it to you guys to see. Yes. You can see the alpaca. One is in there. Can you see? In the middle there. It's not moving. It's brown. The color is the same like the house. Yes. Cool. All right. Subscribe to the channel. This is your man, not a boy. IMC, the Paroisme. This is a farming road. See, asphalt. Farming road. All right. Check it out. This is your man, not a boy. IMC, the Paroisme. Subscribe to the channel. And we are now 693 subscribers. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We are going, we are going. We have 25,000 viewers. So all the 25,000 viewers come back and subscribe to the channel. Then we can help. You can give me a command where to go to in the world to help children that are willing to go to school, or they wanted to learn some trade. Nowadays too, going to school for too long, there's no profit in it. So those people wanted to learn trade. That is bicycle rider. Awesome. So loud. Okay. Subscribe to the channel. This is your man, not a boy. Servus.